Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
I'm Fran Asaro. I'm the founder of the Senior Tuber community, where we help mature people start and grow YouTube channels. And tonight we're going to be starting a new series, and it's the Monetization series, which is one of my favorite things to do. And the reason why is because I like to test all of my monetization options. Because most people are looking to become a YouTube partner, which is fantastic. But for some, that's just too far away. They don't have enough subscribers, they don't have enough watch time hours. And you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in a rolling 12 months. And we'll get into that when we talk about that section. But there are ways that you could start earning money almost immediately when you become a content creator. So we're going to talk about one of them tonight. Again, my favorite, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. And for those of you who do not know what that means, affiliate marketing is when you refer some product or some service of somebody else's, and you get a referral fee for that. If you have been around for a long time, and some of us are mature people, it used to be called bird dog fees, referral fees, finder's fees. Well, affiliate marketing is a little bit more elaborate version of that. So it's one way you have calculations. You can see your dashboard and see who's checked in, who purchased. You have a certain amount of money you're going to be receiving. You can see what you've accumulated, when you get paid. It's really kind of interesting. And why would you want to do something like this? Well, if you have certain services and your niche has things that you use, let's say for me, we'll use me as a model. I have things that I use for this channel. For instance, I have equipment. I have my microphone, I have my speakers, I have my camera. So for me to have an affiliate relationship with some of the people who have this, I can refer it to you and say, because people ask me all the time, what kind of mic do you have or what kind of monitors? So I now can share these things and get paid if you purchase it. There's several ways you can get paid for that. There are independent hubs that sell products or people's products that you're looking for. And then there's always Amazon Associates, which is like Amazon affiliate, where you can go and anything that you see on Amazon can be sold to your people and you get money for it. Now, it's not the same amount of money that you would get with some things. I've sold people's coaching programs where you get up to $1,000 or $2,000 as an affiliate marketing commission. And on Amazon, you might like $1 or $2 on certain things, but Amazon doesn't need us and they're still involving us so that we can be making money. So affiliate marketing is when you're using somebody else's products or services. But just so you know, you can have your own affiliate marketing program if you want. So if you have coaching products or programs where you would say, I'm going to go list my coaching services in this particular hub, then you would share a link with all the people who might want to share you with their people. And when they share your link and when they have a prospect who buys your program, and after you get paid, they get paid. And so there's ways to set it up so that you can see who's referring your products and how much they're selling for you. And you'll start saying, I don't know why I didn't do this from the very beginning. It's really kind of interesting and lucrative. Like I said, it's one of the easiest ways for you to start making money on YouTube. Many people think when I say affiliate marketing that I mean network marketing. Those are two different things. So I just want to make sure if you feel weird about the word affiliate marketing because you think it's network marketing where they're selling in levels and you have to get people to sign up under you, this isn't anything like this. This is like if you go to the movies or you go to a restaurant and you found something you really liked and you want to go home and tell your family, you got to go to this restaurant. They have really great food and the restaurant gives you a free meal or a $10 coupon because you referred them. They're thanking you. They want you to be able to share about them. They're happy to pay you. When you find something you love, you share it with people and then you get paid for sharing it. And it's called a commission that you're going to be getting for promoting those products. So when somebody buys something through your link, they get paid. And it's essentially like a word of mouth thing. And you have terms and conditions that you have to follow. Some pay you 10%. Some people pay you 100%. There are actually people out there who pay 100% because they benefit by new people coming into their flow. And they don't need the money from the product you're selling. They need new people in their wheelhouse. or that those people usually go on to buy new things. So that's where they make their money. So when you're getting something with a lot of money backs, like I've had some that have been 50% commission for somebody's coaching. And I thought, wow, that's really good. It's good for me because I have the incentive to talk about it more because there's a lot of money. And they love that you're out there talking about it.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.